Looks like most of it's coming out pretty well, right?
That's pretty.
The Snow White Theater. And now half of California is closed and I don't know what to do now.
Some people felt it was false following, some people felt it would be a trend in Australia. A filmmaker featured never believed. The Snow White and Seven Dwarfs, he's taking everything he had in his own this animated creature.
Even leading up to the night in Snow White were here, everything was riding on that. Everything was hinging on it. No one knew. Really, the success of Snow White was
we can go in there, so but by 4:30, if I don't see you, I'm getting on the ride, so I can close my fast pass.
Most stores are gone. Completely and utterly gone. The Casa de los Tires.